Do you want to be able to fix your Discord notifications? Well, then you have come to the right video, because I'm going to show you exactly how to do this, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So the first step is going to be to actually, instead of going into our Discord app, we're going to go into our settings app instead, because it's much easier to fix it from there. So I'm just going to click on the settings app that I have on my phone, and in here, as you can see, I'm now taken to this page right here. So what I need to do now is to just scroll down and click on notifications in here. So click on your notifications, and then as you can see, you're now taken here. I'm just going to scroll down and find Discord in here. So just wait a second. Just going to find my Discord app. It should be somewhere in here. Perfect. As you can see, this is my Discord app that I have actually disabled notifications on. But if you have this one enabled, for example, you can actually customize your notifications in here. As you can see, you can basically enable sounds, enable badges and stuff like that. But what you can also do, if you don't want to have any notifications whatsoever, just turn this one off. And what will happen now is that you will not get any kind of notifications from Discord whatsoever. But if you do want to have notifications, then of course turn this one on again. So basically, as of right now, this is like the best way to actually fix your Discord notifications. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.